Good morning, students. This is your math teacher with the new chapter, second chapter, addition and subtraction. And the subtopic is addition of 4-digit, 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Okay, so let's start. Before starting the addition, let's understand what are the steps and rules which we have to follow when we add two or more than two numbers. The very first step is we have to arrange the numbers in correct columns. Okay. Now, which correct columns? According to the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, whatever. Okay. So, as per the given numbers, we have to arrange them in correct columns. The second rule is to start addition from ones place digit. Always when we add any number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 5-digit number, we have to start our addition from the lowest place value. Okay. Then we have to add the next higher place value, that is tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place. And if it's a 5-digit or 6-digit number, then 10,000 and lakh place digit. Okay. So we have to add the digits from the smallest place value, and one by one we have to move on. We have to go on adding higher place values. Okay. I hope all the steps and rules are clear to you. If you will follow these properly, you will never go wrong in your addition or subtraction. Okay. So let's start with the example. The first example is of addition of 4-digit number. I know you have done it in grade 3. Let's have a revision. So this is the number. We have to arrange it first in proper columns. As these are 4-digit numbers, both the numbers are 4 digits. We have the highest place value is thousands. Okay. So let's first arrange them. 2,841 plus 1,875. Okay. We have to arrange it properly. Okay. And we have to then start addition from ones place digit. Okay. Now let's see. All right. The answer what we have got is 4,716. Okay. So let's add one by one from the smallest place value. 1 plus 5 gives us 6. Okay. Now tens place value 4 plus 7 will give us 11. But here it is written 1. Where is the other 1 gone? Okay. This 1 is of ones place. Okay, when we write 11, we get 2 ones. At the tens place also 1 and at ones place also 1. So where is that tens place 1? Yes, it gets carried over here to hundreds place value. Okay, this ones place value remains here and tens place value moves on to hundreds, gets carried over. Now we have to add from this carryover to the bottom numbers. Okay. Always we should start the addition from the carryovers if there is a carryover, because what happens, we normally make mistake by adding just these two numbers and carryovers we forget, and then here we find the calculation mistake. Okay. So always start adding from top to bottom. So let's add this. 1 plus 8 gives us 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Now 7 remains here and 1 gets carried over here. Okay. So here we got 11. It's 1 got carried over to hundreds place. Here we got 17 and it's 1 got carried over to thousands place. Okay. So this 1 plus 2 gives us 3 and 2 plus 1 gives us 4. So this answer 4,716 is known as the sum. S-U-M, sum. Sum of these two numbers. Now these two numbers has their own number names, but commonly they are known as addends. The numbers, any two numbers or three numbers which we add are known as addends. A-D-D-E-N-D-S. Okay, addend. This is the first addend. This is the second addend. If we have third number also, then that will be the third addend. Okay. So it has a common name also. And the answer of the addition is known as the sum. S-U-M, sum. Okay. So the 4,716 is the sum of these two addends. Is this clear? Have you understood? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Yes? Easy? Yes. Very good. Next, addition of 5-digit numbers. Now here you can see that we have got this addend 1, addend 2 and addend 3. 3 addends we have got. Let's arrange it in proper columns. Oh, here the columns are more. Not just 1000, here 10,000 is also there, lakh is also there. But if we read this number, 27,358. Here, the highest place value is 10,000. So how we have written the lakh? Maybe in the sum, in the answer, we may get lakhs place value number digit also. So let's first arrange these numbers in proper columns. Yes, you can see here 27,358 plus 44,785 plus 47,859. Let's see what answer we get. Oh, here we have got lakhs digit number in the sum of all these addends, right? So let's read this. 1,20,002. Okay, that's the sum of these 3 addends. Let's add one by one place digit. Okay, from the smallest place digit. Smallest place digit is ones. Okay, so let's add 8 plus 5 gives us 13 and 13 plus 9 gives us 22. Now this 2 remains here, and where is the tens place 2? It gets carried over to tens digit. Okay, so tens place value. So this 2 we are going to add to the bottom numbers. So 2 plus 5 gives us 7. 7 plus 8 gives us 15. You also keep on adding with me. Okay. And 15 plus 5 gives us 20. So here remains 0, the smaller place value number, and 2 gets carried over here. Okay. Now, as you can see here, here we got 22. This 2 got carried over here, and we added here, we got 20, and this 2 got carried over here. Now we will add these numbers. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Again, we are adding from carried over so that we don't make a mistake of forgetting it, right? Okay. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 5 plus 7 gives us 12. And 12 plus 8, 20 again. So 0 remains here and 2 gets carried over. Now this 2 plus 7 gives us 9. 9 plus 4, 13. And 13 plus 7, 20 again. 0 remains and 2 gets carried over. Now this 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Plus 4, 8. And 8 plus 4, 12. So 1,20,002 is the sum of these 3 addends. Okay. Have you understood? Have you understood? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Okay, now addition of 6-digit number. This is the last example we are learning. Okay. Okay, now here you can see the highest place value is of lakh. So let's arrange it. 6,67,564 plus 2,21,432. What is the sum of these 2 addends? Okay, 4 plus 2 gives us 6. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. 5 plus 4 gives us 9. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. Again, 6 plus 2 gives us 8. So the sum is 8,88,996. Okay. So the sum is 8,88,996 of these 2 addends. Okay. Now you can see here we didn't got here any carryovers. Okay. So when we add any 2 numbers and we don't get any carryovers, such kind of mathematical sum is known as, or you can say addition specifically is known as addition without regrouping. Okay, addition without regrouping, because we are not having any number which can be regrouped with these bottom numbers. Okay. So, but here in the previous slide, you could see here we had carried overs in the 5-digit as well as in the 4 digits, right? So, these sums, or you can say the additions in which we have got carryovers, such kind of sums are known as addition with regrouping. Why? Because we are regrouping these carryovers with these given digits. Okay. Is this very clear? Okay. So you can see that this is an example of without regrouping. Okay. Now 4-digit, 5-digit and 6-digit additions we have learned with regrouping as well as without regrouping. Now it's homework time. So I have given 3 separate slides for 4-digit, that is exercise 2.1, and you have to solve it in your classwork notebook. Okay. You have to arrange the numbers in vertically in column and add. The way I had explained you the example, same way you have to arrange them and solve it in your classwork notebook. Then 2.2, 5-digit numbers. Okay, same way you have to solve. You have to show the complete calculation. Here you can see 4 sums are with 3 addends and the remaining are with 2 addends. Okay, and the next last slide is of 6-digit numbers which you have to add vertically. Okay, vertically in the columns. Is this very clear? Have you understood? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Very good.